Yes guys, FLux 1.1 Pro is finally out. In this video I'm going to show you how you can access it for free. To do so I'm using the glif app, similar to what I have done in the previous video, in one of my previous videos where I showed you how to access the previous model of FLux. I'm going to leave you a direct link to access my glif that you can use to create your designs. This is my previous FLux Pro glif, and it has over 13,000 runs from different people that access it using the video that I have published before. And also I have published my new glif using the FLux Pro 1.1. So simply go to the link in the description, which will take you to my FLux Pro 1.1 glif, and enter your prompt in this box. Can write any prompt you have, and if you don't know what to write or how to write your prompts, you can get samples of the prompts from Midjourney or from ideogram to create similar styles. So for testing, I'm going to write, for example, vector style cat cute wearing sunglasses, and then press on the run this glif, and this is going to create your image or your design in a 3x4 format. Again, this is FLux Pro 1.1, so the results are a little bit different than the FLux Pro, and you can press on the download button from here, so you can test it and see how the new FLux model creates results. But in a quick note, what I have noticed is that this new model does not create graphics or images similar to the previous FLux Pro model. This one tends to add more of real images to the design, unless you specify in the prompt that you would like to use vector style artwork or t-shirt design style. So until now I prefer the previous FLux model, but feel free to try both models and see which one you like best. And these are some samples that I've been testing using the FLux 1.1 Pro, but I'm going also to show you how you can create your own glif for the FLux Pro. From the home screen, after you sign up, just press on the build button, and this will take you to this screen where you are going to build your own FLux Pro 1.1 glif. So press on the plus sign and choose the first box, which says text input, and rename it to prompt, and then press on the plus sign and choose the text, the image generator. This is where we are going to choose the model, the FLux 1.1 Pro, and you can see that there are a couple of models available on the glif app. So you can choose the FLux Pro 1.1 and adjust the image size. I always prefer to have the 3.4, but you can leave it as is, the 1.1. And you can also leave the advanced setting as is. And once you're done, simply rename your glif anything like FLux Pro 1.1, or just add your name on it, testing. And after you're finished, make sure to press on the prompt tab here to add it to the describe the image. And now you can test your glif by writing here any prompt. So just, I'm going to write crazy dog vector art and run this glif to see if it is going to work or not. And yes, the glif works fine, and then you can just press on the publish to have it published, or you can simply leave your glif as is without publishing it, and you can keep creating your designs inside the testing board. And once you're done, simply save the image in low resolution and then upscale it using other application, and then you can also remove the background. And if you do this, your designs won't be published on the Glif app, and you can use it without any commercial license problems, because they were actually not published on the Glif platform. They were just tested inside and were not published. So this is a tricky way to use the designs for commercial use inside the glif.app. So that was a quick video. If you liked the video, if you enjoyed the video of today, just press on the like button and press on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and see you in other tutorials and for print on demand.